talk about something else. We know we are going to face crucial time for COVID situation. But I will tell, at first, love yourself. You cannot impress anyone unless you love yourself. Your look, your color and your caste, nothing matter. Only matter how can you believe yourself. You know what is the best makeup? Confidence. You may be having a lot problem in your life, but you need love yourself. If you want to go forward, at first you need love yourself. Unconditional love will come when you feel God is within you. We get insecure when people tends to go away from us. But if you believe in yourself, then there is no insecurity that comes up. And we know this struggle because I was COVID positive in mid-September. This is the time when my father expired. I was so weak, not only body but mentally. My biggest problem is my father expired, not COVID. But love yourself, believe yourself and faith yourself and just spread your positivity in the earth. Don't panic about corona. Your positivity will be helpful other people who are suffering this condition. Okay? In my previous video, I have discussed first isomorphism theorem with example, and this topic is very important for group theory. Today also I will discuss this topic, but at first I will tell you one theorem because some example of first isomorphism theorem based on this theorem. Let's see the theorem. Let Zg be the center of the group. If G mod Zg is cyclic, that implies G is abelian. Recall Zg. Zg is center. That means set of all A in the group such that A is commute other element of the group. Okay? And I have discussed about center elaborately in my previous video. If you don't see, at first see this video. Let's see the proof. Consider G mod Zg is cyclic and we have to prove G is abelian. That means for all AB in G, we have to prove AB equal to BA. Since G mod Zg is cyclic, that means G mod Zg is generated by GZG. Okay? Where for all G be the member of capital G, and this is actually the late quotient. Now consider two elements, AZG and BZG, which is member of G modulo Zg. Okay? Since this is member of G modulo Zg and since this group means G mod Zg is cyclic, so we can tell AZG equal to some power GZG to the power I and BZG equal to some other power GZG to the power J. Okay? Are you getting? Where I and J be the member of capital Z means integer, and this is actually same as AZG equal to G to the power I times Zg and BZG equal to g to the power j times zg. Okay? And there exists a property, if two coset means AA is equal to BA is similar, if and only if AB inverse be the member of the subgroup. And by this property, we can tell A g to the power minus I be the member of ZG and B g to the power minus J be the member of ZG. That means A times g to the power minus I equal to, consider this is P, and B times g to the power minus J equal to Q, where P and Q be the member of ZG, and that imply A equal to g to the power I times P and B equal to g to the power J times Q. And what would be AB? AB equal to g to the power I times P times g to the power J times Q. And since this is the member of ZG, so we can commute this. That means we can write this as g to the power I times g to the power J times PQ. That means g to the power I plus J times PQ. And similarly, BA would be g to the power I times g to the power J after commuting. Are you getting? Okay. Which is also equal to g to the power I plus J PQ. Okay. And since AB equal to BA, our proof has done. G is abelian group. Okay. Now let's see use of this theorem. Find the number of homeomorphism from S4 to Z6. We all of us know the normal subgroup of S4 are identity, Killen-4 group, A4 and S4. And the factor group, when the normal subgroup would be identity, then S4 modulo I, which is isomorphic to S4, and by first isomorphism theorem, this is isomorphic to F of S4, which is subgroup of Z6. But Z6 is a cyclic group, so every subgroup of Z6 would be cyclic, but F of S4 cannot be cyclic. So this homeomorphism with identity cannot possible. When the normal subgroup would be Killen-4 group, then the factor group S4 modulo Killen-4 group, whose order would be 6. And we all of us know this is isomorphic to F of S4, which is subgroup of Z6. That means this is actually Z6. Now use this theorem. The theorem is when G mod ZG is cyclic, here Z6 is cyclic, then the theorem implies G must be abelian group. But here the G means S4, not abelian. So this homeomorphism also not possible with kernel Killen-4 group. Are you getting the use of the theorem? And when the normal subgroup would be A4, then the factored group S4 modulo A4, whose order would be 2. We all of us know this is actually isomorphic to Z2, and this is subgroup by isomorphism, first isomorphism theorem, this is isomorphic to F of S4, which is subgroup of Z6. Okay, and since Z6 is a cyclic group, so there exists only one subgroup of order 2. This is the cyclic subgroup generated by 3 and which contains the element 0 and 3. The mapping is look like here Z6 0 1 2 3 4 5. This is A3 and this is S3 minus A3. A3 maps to 0 and S3 minus A3 maps to 3. So these homeomorphism possible with kernel A4. And when the normal subgroup would be S4, then the factor group S4 modulo S4 which is equal to 1. That means this trivial homeomorphism. We all of us know it. So the number of homeomorphism from S4 to Z6 is 3. Okay. Now let's see this example in general. Counting homeomorphism from Sn to Z6 where n greater than equal to 5. We all of us know for n greater than equal to 5, the normal subgroup of Sn identity An and Sn. When the kernel would be identity, then the factor group Sn modulo identity which is isomorphic to Sn, and by first isomorphism theorem this is also isomorphic to f of Sn, and which would be subgroup of Z6. But since the Z6 is a cyclic group, so any subgroup of Z6 would be cyclic. But f of Sn cannot be cyclic. So this homeomorphism with the kernel identity cannot possible. Now consider Sn modulo An which is isomorphic to Z2 and which is also subgroup of Z6, and we all of us know this is actually since in Z6 the cyclic subgroup generated by 3, and when the normal subgroup would be Sn, then Sn modulo Sn would be 1, and this is only the trivial homeomorphism. That means when n greater than equal to 5, then there exists two homeomorphism. One homeomorphism with kernel An, other homeomorphism is trivial homeomorphism. Total number of homeomorphism Sn to Zm where n greater than equal to 5, this is 2. When 2 divide m, are you getting? When that means when there is Z4, Z8, Z6, then the number of homeomorphism always will be 2. But when 2 does not divide m, then the homeomorphism with kernel An cannot possible. Because if 2 does not divide m, then the subgroup which is isomorphic to Z2 cannot possible. Then there exists only trivial homeomorphism. So when 2 does not divide m, then the number of homeomorphism Sn to Zm will be 1. And this is the shortcut trick. Are you getting? Now I will see opposite case. Till now I have seen number of homeomorphism from Sn to Zm. But now I will see Zm to Sn. Here I have considered Z8 and S3. Let's see the number of homeomorphism Z8 to S3. Since Z8 is a cyclic group, we all of us know the normal subgroup of Z8 are of order 1, 2, 4 and 8. And this is actually the cyclic subgroup generated by 8 modulo 1 which is equal to cyclic subgroup generated by 0. 8 modulo 2 which is equal to cyclic subgroup generated by 4. Cyclic subgroup generated by 8 modulo 4 which is equal to cyclic subgroup generated by 2. and other the cyclic subgroup generated by 8 modulo 8, which is similar as the cyclic subgroup generated by 1. We all of us know it. For this case, let's see. Here, Z8 modulo cyclic subgroup generated by 0, which is isomorphic to Z8 and which is actually by first isomorphism theorem isomorphic to f of Z8 and which is subgroup of S3. But in S3, there exists no subgroup of order 8. So this homeomorphism with kernel cyclic subgroup generated by 0 cannot possible. Sorry, here not S8, just printing mistake, this is Z8. Okay, now consider the normal subgroup, cyclic subgroup generated by 4. And the order of this quotient group is 4. So this is isomorphic to Z4 and by first isomorphism theorem, this is actually isomorphic to f of Z8. Okay, sorry, here Z4. And notice 4 does not divide 6 because FZ8 is a subgroup of S3. So this homeomorphism with kernel cyclic subgroup generated by 4 also not possible. Are you getting? Well. Now consider the quotient group with kernel cyclic subgroup generated by 2. And the order of this quotient group is 2. So this is isomorphic to Z2, who is also isomorphic to f of Z8. And this is subgroup of S3. We all of us know there is this 3 subgroup of order 2 in S3. Identity 1, 2, identity 1, 3 and identity 2, 3. And the mapping is look like cyclic subgroup generated by 2. This is the kernel. So this maps to identity and this other quotient maps to 3 way. Either 1, 2 or 1, 3 or 2, 3. Okay. So in this way there exist 3 homeomorphisms. Now consider this factor group with kernel cyclic subgroup generated by 1 and this is actually trivial homeomorphism because this is isomorphic to Z1, means all the element maps to 1. So this homeomorphism always possible. So the number of homeomorphism from Z8 to S3 is 4. Okay? In my earlier video, I have seen number of homeomorphism from Z to Z is infinite and the homeomorphism is look like fx equal to nx. And similarly, number of 1, 1 homomorphism will be infinite. And why this is infinite? Because we all of us know kernel of f equal to x be the member of integer such that f of x equal to 0 and this imply nx equal to 0. When n equal to 0, then this is trivial homeomorphism. Okay, and otherwise it is non-trivial homeomorphism. And this is true for all n and this is true for countably infinite n. So number of 1, 1 homomorphism is infinite. Are you getting? Yeah. And number of onto homomorphism, this is very important. 2. One f of x equal to x and other f of x equal to minus x. Okay. Now I will see number of homeomorphism from any infinite group G to finite group G prime. Now let's see the counting group homomorphism from Z to Z4, where Z is infinite group and Z4 is a finite cyclic group. We all of us know NZ be the normal subgroup of Z. Case 1, consider n equal to 1. Then the normal subgroup would be, kernel would be Z. And what would be the factor group? Z mod Z, which is isomorphic to Z1 and which is subgroup of Z4. And this homeomorphism always possible. And the homeomorphism is look like fx equal to 0. Okay? This is case 1. Case 2. N equal to 2. Then the kernel F would be 2Z. What would be the factor group? Z mod 2Z, which is isomorphic to Z2 and Z2 is a subgroup of Z4. And we all of us know in Z4 only one subgroup of order 2. This is the cyclic subgroup generated by 2. So the number of homeomorphism here 1. Case 3. N equal to 3. Then the normal subgroup is 3Z. Then the factor group would be Z mod 3Z, which is isomorphic to Z3. But here, notice, is Z3 is a subgroup of Z4? No, because 3 does not divide 4. Are you getting? So this homeomorphism with kernel 3Z cannot possible. Okay? This is case 2. This is case 3. Case 4. Consider n equal to 4. Then the normal subgroup would be 4Z. Then Z mod 4Z would be isomorphic to Z4. And there exists 2 subgroups of order 4. We all of us know. One cyclic subgroup generated by 1 and other the cyclic subgroup generated by 3. Okay? So here the number of homeomorphism 2. If you consider the normal subgroup as 5Z, then this homeomorphism cannot possible because 5 cannot divide 4. So after 4 it cannot possible. So this is true only n equal to 1, 2 and 4. Are you getting? Okay. And the number of homeomorphism here, number of homeomorphism equal to 4. Okay? And there is a shortcut trick. Number of homeomorphism from any infinite cyclic group G to finite cyclic group G prime of order m would be m. As for an example, let's consider a homeomorphism Z to Zm or D to N, Q8, K4 or Sm. Always it is similar to the order of this group. Okay? Now I will see number of onto homeomorphism from Z to Zm. I have done plot the mapping Z to Z4, the onto homeomorphism possible when the kernel is 4Z. Otherwise it cannot possible. And here 2 homeomorphism. So number of onto homeomorphism from Z to Z4 is 2. But number of onto homomorphism from Z to Zm is 5. This is actually MZ always subgroup of Z. And Z mod MZ is isomorphic to Zm, which is also subgroup of Zm. Okay? And this mapping is always onto. This mapping is look like here Z, here Zm, all MZ maps to identity and other Z minus MZ maps to 1, 2 up to m minus 1, which maps any of them. And the number of onto homomorphism, actually Z to Zm is phi m. That means number of generator of Zm. Actually, number of onto homomorphism from an infinite group G to any finite group G prime of order m is 0 when G prime is non-cyclic and phi m when G prime is cyclic. And there exists no 1-1 homomorphism.